I noticed, there's a little bit of leaking from around the cap on the reservoir. That's been an issue. I've been hoping that just screwing it down tighter would fix it, but I don't think so. I'm gonna have to see if I can get a new reservoir at some point, or a new cap maybe to seal better, or maybe just replace the gasket that's in there. I have been running without windshield wipers, and that became a problem over the weekend. The wipers that I have, the springs are too powerful, and they hold the wiper down with too much strength, and it just messes up the entire mechanism. So I'm modifying some wipers to have a lighter spring. New item. I need to make a slit on the back side of the muffler join pipe here, clamp it in. All of the printed fender mounts seem to be intact and holding strong. Maybe not. No, that one's split. That's old epoxy, and it split from the fiberglass. I'm gonna have to go and use some of the badass panel bond on that. But otherwise, the fenders seem to be in pretty good shape. All right, so checking for leaks. Looks like there's a little bit of wetness in there. Let me drop the diffuser to take a look at some of that. So I forgot that I had a small access inspection port back here. Stuck my hand in there to get some grime, take a swiff. Like, it doesn't really smell gas-like. I'm still gonna drop the diffuser and take a look. All right, so like, there's a ton of schmutz on my hand. None of it smells like gas. If I take a really good whiff of it, it smells like gear oil. So either my diff is leaking or the trans is leaking, probably from the output shaft, which would suck. Yeah, excite. All right, so I got the diffuser off. You can tell it's really wet down here. Not so much back here. This is where I would expect fuel to be. I think it's gear oil. If we come and take a look up in here. Oh no. All right, we're leaking blueberry sauce. Look at that. That is diff fluid. Looks like it's leaking from the drain plug. Cool. Also of note, the fuel system is completely dry, so we're good there. All in all, things look pretty good for the once over. Just the one leak, really. Brake lines are fine, they're dry. Fuel lines are fine, they're dry. The other thing that I'll do is I'll drop the oil, send a sample off to Blackstone. I expect it to be fine, but it's been about a year since I filled it, so might as well replace it now.